is it still so that many people look at it as not something that really helps us to produce effective, safe drugs, but they see it as a hurdle?
There are people, and I'd say any organization, you're going to have different levels of people. Some people who will look at it and say, this is something that is beneficial. It's a good business practice following GXPs. You will have others look at it and say, all right, it's a hurdle. It's a roadblock. It's something that's a wall to keep us from advancing. And there are people that look at it both ways. Some of them look at it and say, it is good, and other times they'll say, well, I like that part, but not this part. And a lot of times it's how we, as quality leaders, really implement and speak to, enforce, act upon the GXPs. We can look at it and say, absolutes. You have to have everything black and white, and it has to be drawn out. And there are certain lines where, yes, you absolutely have to have those, but there are other times where you have to think of it, what am I trying to do? And look at it and say, how does it make sense? What is the intent of those GXPs? What am I really trying to do? And work with people on it, not just blindly saying, no, it's an absolute, here you go. This makes no sense, but you have to implement it anyway. So a lot of the effort of making sure people think of GMPs the right way is on the leaders who enforce the GMPs.